Bold return to nature is the slogan for our new business, Narrowway Nutrition. Simply put, we mimic the rhythms of nature. We do this with our flock of Katahdin and St. Croix hair sheep by never offering any unnatural inputs. We simply let them do what God designed ruminant animals to do: move, mob, and mow. This regenerative, holistic approach to farming has led to a very healthy flock of sheep. We never use any growth hormones. We never vaccinate. We never deworm. We never use antibiotics. We don't spray the fields with pesticides or herbicides. This leads to a healthy protein source for our nourishment, and it's a good stewardship practice for our flock of sheep.